Hey everyone, Gavin here with Super Nutrition, back again with my video series covering everything you need to know about specific supplements. And so this video I will touch on beta-alanine. So what is beta-alanine? Beta-alanine is an amino acid that's produced naturally in the body. It's found in meats, primarily beef, pork, fish, and poultry. It's also available as a supplement, either alone or alongside other ingredients. And together with the amino acid L-histidine, it forms a molecule called carnosine. Carnosine is responsible for regulating the pH balance of your muscle cells. And if you remember, pH is simply how acidic or alkaline something is. So how does beta-alanine work? The benefits of supplementing with beta-alanine lies primarily in its ability to increase muscle carnosine levels. Carnosine provides your body's first line of defense against changes in pH. And so increasing muscle concentrations of carnosine increases your body's ability to buffer the acid that is produced during high intensity exercise, helping to delay the onset of fatigue. So why not just supplement with carnosine? Carnosine is also available as a supplement. However, carnosine is metabolized before it ever reaches the muscle cells, leaving oral supplementation of carnosine of little benefit. So which exercises is beta-alanine most effective for? So it's most effective for high intensity exercises lasting between 1 and 4 minutes. This can include things like sprinting, interval training, CrossFit, or high intensity bodybuilding training programs. And while consistent evidence suggesting that beta-alanine improves strength is lacking, it is shown to increase training volume and reduce ratings of fatigue. Beta-alanine is also shown to increase muscle size, which we know is correlated with muscle strength. And so while not directly, supplementing with beta-alanine can increase muscle strength over time. So how do you supplement beta-alanine? So just like creatine, beta-alanine has no immediate effects. The performance benefits of beta-alanine are only realized when muscle carnosine levels are increased. This usually takes 4 weeks of supplementing with a 4 to 6 gram dose. And also like creatine, it's not time independent, so take whenever makes you happy. So is beta-alanine safe? So current research suggests that beta-alanine is indeed safe. It may cause a tingly feeling in the face, hands, or neck. And this is actually a common side effect known as paresthesia. The intensity of the tingly feeling usually starts around 800 milligrams, but increases as the dose does. And while completely harmless, it can be avoided by taking smaller split doses throughout the day. However, this isn't convenient for most. So that is beta-alanine for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.